Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful crochet rag style ideas. Beautiful crochet rags, floor mats is a great way to add a personal touch to your home decor. Here are some basic steps to get you started and beautiful looks and the latest styles. Crocheting a rag can be a fun and creative project. You will need all crochet hook and yarn. Here are the basic steps to get your start. Choose your yarn. Select a trouble or and washable yarn suitable for rags. Cotton or beautiful like crochet work well. And latest ideas. Use a crochet hook that matches your design. Guys, please keep sharing and watching my video and see this video till the end. Remember that the specific pattern and the size of your rag will depend on your preference. You can find crochet rags pattern online or create your own design. Happy crocheting and latest ideas.